Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Taffy Wagner, and you're in my kitchen. Tonight we're making Deliciou plant-based, clean and lean plant mix chicken. How about that? You're going to be joining me and my daughter. She doesn't want to be on the screen. We're testing this out to see if we're going to like it. Let's get started. So that's what it looks like. Looks like shredded chicken, doesn't it? Oh,
It smells good.
it does.
It smells like, was it snap peas? The little crispy snack things we used to get.
Smells like snap peas, she said. So it actually calls for olive oil
and water.
and water.
1 tablespoon of olive oil.
So 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
And then 400 milliliters of water.
240 milliliters of water. And then you mix it up. Hubby's in the background cooking for him and Cody. It's okay. We're all in the kitchen tonight.
Except for Cody.
Daughter's right, except for Cody.
Alright, well, I think it's mixed.
Okay, so let me take a look. Okay. Mix it up just a little bit more over there. Okay, so now it's mixed. The next step is
Just gotta shape it now.
you take it out and you shape it. So you want to get the cutting board just to put it on something?
Or just put it in the pan.
Well, you need to put oil in the pan.
Okay, so.
And so we're going to shape it on the cutting.
And of course you could just,
Okay.
technically you could just take it as it is and just put it in the pan to make like little crumbles.
Right.
But we're gonna shape it. And yes, I washed my hands before this, so we're good.
It's like a chicken ball.
Yeah, this might be a little big, but it'll be okay. We're gonna make them into the shape of little patties, and then we can either leave them this size or cut them up later.
Okay.
So,
And you can make it one smaller so you can see, you know.
yeah. Just kind of sticks to your hand a little bit.
Does it? Okay.
Yeah. It's not round, but it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
I'll cut them up anyway. We're not going for presentation here.
So now, from what I understand, because I was on their site, the mixture lasts for 7 days in the refrigerator if you don't use it all in the first time. And you can freeze it also.
Okay, so rolling kind of works.
Okay.
I don't think it would, since, like I said, it's just sticky.
Mm-hmm.
But hold shape well, I guess. I might take the other one and just break
I
it
was
in
gonna say
half.
I would definitely. Because that's probably 2 right there.
Probably, yeah. Just
Wow. Consistency is good. Because it's thick. You had to really work at breaking it apart.
no, I didn't.
Okay, fine.
I could smash it right now if I wanted to. I just it's sticky. I'm just trying to be careful. The only thing holding it together is itself, but it's not. It's not magnetic or anything, so it's just sticky.
1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 more and let's cook it and see. What do you think?
I would go to 6 at least.
That is 6. If you do 1 more.
I wasn't looking. I heard you go to 4, and you said 1 more, which I thought was 5. So I was like, oh well, 1 more.
The fun of cooking with your kids. Yes. No smart rocks.
And then we still have a lot left over, but
And that was just 1 box, you guys. So we have a lot still in our bowl.
yeah. Oh. Your phone may or may not have some on it now. I don't know.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go over to the pan now.
So stay tuned. We're coming right back. We've put olive oil in the skillet, and now we're going to put the plant-based chicken in the skillet, and it is hot. And the instructions say cook until golden brown.
So it's 7:38. So we can.
So it's 7:38 p.m.
I mean, in the last clip you said we're making dinner. I don't think we're making dinner for breakfast, honestly.
Oh, some people can make dinner for
I'm
breakfast.
not saying they can't. I'm just saying the first
We're
thing
just not tonight.
the first thing people think of when you say dinner, it's not 7 a.m. Honestly.
I just wanted you guys to know what time it was.
Just want to make sure they're flat.
So we're going to have them with thin spaghetti.
And then are you having yours with pesto?
I'm probably having mine with spinach and pesto.
I have mine with hot sauce.
Daughter's having hot sauce. For those hot sauce fans out there, she got y'all.
Yeah. And it's like Frank's Red Hot, I believe.
Yes, it's so good.
Yeah, the buffalo
Is it
one.
buffalo wing sauce?
I think so.
Let's see. Put that down there. Frank's Red Hot buffalo wing sauce is so good on spaghetti. You have to try it. It's a must.
Yeah.
Don't knock it till you try it. I know you want to turn the blower on.
I was.
Turn it on low.
So the underside
This
is
is
just
good. It's a
Yeah,
oh. See, that's
fine.
not brown enough.
It's not. So if I made them more into patties, it would have been easier to flip it on one side, but I made them round, so I want to make sure it's cooked. Granted,
Right, because there's a little bit of thickness.
yeah, I mean, we don't have to worry about getting food poisoning because it's not real chicken, so it'll be fine if it's not raw, but it's, you don't want to eat raw food anyway.
Right,
So.
right.
Unless like vegetables or fruit.
And this is one of the things I wanted to try because we had a plant-based chicken.
Well, we had 2.
We had 2. What was the first one?
So the first one was Beyond the Meat Chicken.
Yes, it was Beyond the Meat Chicken, and it was so good, you guys. We used it in everything.
Yeah.
Because we used it for, we used it in our spaghetti.
Yeah.
We did rice-a-roni with it. Did we do nachos?
No, but we did do fried rice.
We did it was so good in fried rice.
Yeah.
And then they stopped carrying it.
They stopped making it.
They stopped making it altogether. They did. We were just heartbroken. Oh my gosh, we were heartbroken. So we've been on the lookout for something else.
Yeah, we have one right now that's No Evil Chicken, which it's more crumbly, so you can't really put it on kebabs or anything.
And we're gonna do a video about it too. Just stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
Because we really like it too.
Yeah, the Beyond one was actually strips. So
Yes.
there's certain dishes you can do with strips, and there's certain you can do with the crumbled kind of chicken. So this one we can make into crumbles or strips. So that's kind of nice about this. If it works out.
Yes, if it tastes good. Okay, turn that. Yeah, look at that golden color. Way to go.
Kind of reminds me of hash browns.
It does look like hash browns.
Or, what is it, rice balls?
Rice balls. Yes.
There we go.
That's a beautiful golden color though. Go, daughter. Okay. See, now I was gonna say the key is, do you want to put just a little more oil on this side so that it cooks too, like that? I would kind of, see, I like that I do flatten them out a little bit.
Yeah.
So I make sure it cooks all the way through.
So if I have to add more oil, I just need to kind of...
Oh, just roll it around.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Or I could just, like dip it in the oil real quick. But also make sure we're correctly on the broiler.
So let's show them the box again. Get the box.
I'll put back of the box this time.
Let's do the front first and then we'll switch over to the back. Deliciou plant-based chicken, clean and lean plant mix. Just add water and oil.
So it's 20 grams of protein per serving. No soy.
Very good. Now we'll turn it over.
Just they want to see the ingredients, I guess.
It says cholesterol free, rich in vitamin B12 and iron.
No added sugar, GMO free.
Okay. And then that's the back. And so on the back it shows you a lot of the different things that you could do with it. It just says endless possibilities at the very bottom. Okay, so we're going to go back to the skillet now.
Oh, you can recycle this box. That's nice.
Oh, nice. So a little concerned about the sides,
Yeah. Again, though, it's not real meat, so there's not a real risk. It's a little...
I would let it stand up there like that on its own for a minute.
It won't. Most of them won't. All you have to do is breathe and that little piece is going to fall over.
It will, just leave it.
It's like a Stonehenge almost.
We just want to make sure that it's cooked on all the sides as well.
Yeah. Ideally, it should cook all the way through, but since we've never tried it before, just don't know.
Nice.
That one won't stay on the other side.
Yeah, it's okay. That one may not either.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I think they may be done.
I think so too. We're gonna take them off the stove, put them on our plates,
Yeah.
and then we'll come back with the final taste test. The numbers didn't come up. See, that's how I know it was charged. There we are.
So that's the inside.
Looks cooked all the way.
Yeah. So let's try a piece.
Let's try a piece. Thank you. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Doesn't exactly taste like chicken, but kind of. But it does taste
See,
good.
it does taste good. We could put some seasoning with it.
Yeah.
Because it's plain.
Yeah.
But it does. It has the texture.
Yeah. Texture's fine.
The texture's fine. Okay. So now we're gonna fix our plates because she's gonna have hot sauce, of course.
Yes.
And that won't be in here. But that's definitely one that you should try. Deliciou plant-based chicken. We give it a thumbs up.